In this video, we'll share tips on how to design a custom pin with Teespring. We'll cover pin types, design tips, and explain all the characteristics you can customize to create the perfect pin. So let's start with choosing a pin type. If you have a design in mind, this should determine the pin type that you choose. If you don't have a design already, but know the type of pin that you want to create, you'll need to keep the pin's characteristics and limitations in mind when developing your design. For example, a simple design works best with soft enamel pins, while detailed designs with text work better with offset printing. If you want a striking pin in one color, then 3D mold is the way to go. So let's talk a little bit more about each pin type and its characteristics. Soft enamel pins are our most popular pin type. Designs are applied by having colored paint recessed into the metal mold. These pins are a great option if you're using a simple design with 5 colors or less. Keep in mind, if you want to incorporate 6 or more colors, this will increase the base cost of your soft enamel pin. Offset printed pins are perfect for detailed designs because they do not alter or distort the design. It's a good option especially if your design features text or gradient effects. Designs are printed onto the pin surface, and a clear epoxy resin is applied over the imprint to protect the design from scratches and damage. 3D mold is perfect for creating striking 3-dimensional pins. You may want to consider this option if your pin design is an animal, object, or unique shape. It's important to note that 3D mold pins cannot feature any custom colors, so the color of the pin is based on the finishing that you select. The larger the pin size you select, the more the base cost for each pin will increase. Keep in mind that the most common size selected is 1 inch. If your design features text or small details, we may recommend choosing a larger size or adapting your design to fit a smaller size. Teespring offers 10 different finishing options, and these options can be applied to all 3 pin types. Keep in mind the finishing will be most visible on 3D mold and soft enamel pins. As I mentioned earlier, for 3D mold, the finishing option you select will cover the entire pin. When it comes to soft enamel, the finishing will be visible on the raised parts of the pin that outline different colors or details within your design. The butterfly clutch is the most popular backing option, but we also offer a black rubber clutch or traditional safety pin backing too. Note that the safety pin backing is considered an add-on and will increase the base cost of your pin. You can choose between 2 different packaging options. The first is a clear plastic bag, which is the most popular and affordable option. With this option, each pin is individually packaged in a poly bag for protection. The second option is a custom backer card, which is an add-on that offers the ability for custom branding. Note that if you choose this option, you'll also need to provide a design to feature on the card. And because this is an add-on, it will increase the base cost of your pins. Alright, now that we've covered all the ways you can customize your pins, it's time to order inventory. Check out the next video to learn how Teespring will help you source and sell your custom pins in 3 easy steps. If you want to learn more about TeespringGo and the other custom products we can help you source, then head over to teespring.com now.